Hello, behind me here is Newbury Wharf. Today in 2023 it adjoins a very busy car park. There's a museum here, the West Berkshire Museum, and just up the road West Berkshire Libraries as well. Still a very nice area, but back in 1723 it just opened as an inland port, and it was due to change the character of Newbury quite significantly. And I've been invited to show at West Berkshire Museum this autumn and point all my paintings and ceramics at stories about that time. But I also want to link the idea of the speed of life on the water with well-being, issues of well-being and the benefits of well-being and mental health in these troubled times today. I'm running an Indiegogo campaign which will in part fund this project, which will also be funded by Arts Council of Great Britain, hopefully. And you can help with that. I'd like to tell you a little bit more about it. And here I am in conversation with Michael Cordova of the Floating Point Centre just up the road in Pangbourne. So let's go over and let's talk to him. See ya.
So I understand you have an exhibition coming up at West Berkshire Museum this autumn. So how is this campaign going to help with that?
Well, this campaign sits alongside my application to the Arts Council for funding. In these times it's very important that I show the Arts Council I'm not just relying upon them in totality for all the money that I need to put this show on and present it. So the campaign is a good way to bring in the local community early and offer a series of rewards in return for different levels of contribution to the project.
But what sort of experience do you envisage that visitors will have when they go to the exhibition?
I'd like them to feel slowed down and invited to contemplate the works that I'm going to make. There's going to be paintings and ceramics, and they will be designed using figuration and abstraction to try and slow down their looking and slow down their any sort of rush to judgment around what is being said here, and be a cause of reflection. So by the time the visitors leave the show, I hope they feel kind of refreshed and have a whole load of new ideas to think about.
Well, why should people contribute to this campaign?
Because I think it will help Newbury Museum and Newbury itself mark the 300th year of the wharf, but in a way that is kind of a bit left field, a little bit different, and open up the community. It's definitely something that should matter to people who live in Reading and the environs and who care about well-being.